Ichill is a technical design software for all types of refrigeration machines and heat pumps. It assists the engineering team in selecting optimal components, balancing refrigeration circuits, and calculating all performance parameters. It also supports the technical sales department by providing a comprehensive and detailed datasheet for any machine. The software can generate both technical and commercial documentation, even for an entire range of chillers or heat pumps, in just a few clicks. Ichill design software therefore offers seamless integration between the technical offices and the commercial department's needs, positioning itself as an essential tool for the entire organization. It enables efficient communication across departments with maximum speed and effectiveness. The interface is simple, intuitive, and fully comprehensive. It allows users to customize every aspect of the machines they wish to design, or guides the designer in making the most optimal choices. The first screen allows users to define the main characteristics of the machine they wish to design through the simple selection of checkboxes. Specifically, the following options can be chosen: the type of operation, whether it's a chiller, heat pump, with heat recovery, or the option to perform free cooling, the type of source for the hot well, the number of refrigeration circuits, the type and number of compressors, the type of heat exchangers and fans. Once these general aspects are defined, the user proceeds to a more detailed configuration through the second tab. Here, it is possible to select the refrigerant, the brand of the main components, and the characteristics of the air-cooled fin heat exchangers. Specifically, the configuration of the thermal exchange section with the air can also be defined. In the subsequent screens, users can specify design conditions, including the temperatures of the fluids involved in the refrigeration cycle, air and water, the required cooling capacity, and other design requirements such as a minimum energy efficiency value, EER or COP. For example, let's assume a request to design an air-cooled water chiller with 2 scroll compressors, a refrigeration capacity of 200 kilowatts, and a minimum EER of 3. The software provides a range of possible solutions that meet these specifications. It should be noted that, in the summary screen, in addition to immediately viewing the refrigeration capacity, absorbed power, and EER, a quick summary of the main components, compressors, heat exchangers, and fans, is also provided, and the dimensions of the machine. In this way, it is possible to navigate through the various design solutions proposed by the software and identify the one that best meets your needs. It is important to note that by clicking the arrow to the left of each row, a window opens that allows easy navigation through all the technical data of the selected machine, including sensitive technical data such as condensation and evaporation temperatures and pressures under design conditions, data visible only to authorized users. A comprehensive set of technical data, including power ratings, number and type of main components, electrical operating and design data, dimensions, and weights. It is also possible, from the relevant tabs, to calculate all the energy efficiency indices according to different European and American standards: SEER, SPER, IPLV, NPLV, SCOP. Using the colored icons to the left of the selected model name, you can generate a PDF of the technical data with a single click. You can add the unit to a quote, or include it in a quick comparison by clicking the plus button. With this feature, the next page provides an intuitive interface displaying a quick comparison between the selected units. Let's now explore the functionality of the Edit button, pencil icon, next to each unit. When this button is clicked, a window opens allowing you to modify the selected unit. Editing means, for example, checking what happens if one or more components are changed. Let's suppose we change the evaporator and select one with 12 additional plates. By clicking on this icon, you gain the ability to edit the selected unit. Editing allows you to, for example, check the impact of changing one or more components. Let's assume you change the evaporator and select one with 12 additional plates. By clicking on Calculate, the new machine will be generated immediately, featuring the modified component along with the corresponding technical data and operating conditions. By clicking again on the Next button, you will proceed to the next page, where you can quickly calculate the unit's performance, or even the performance of all units listed on the comparison page simultaneously, under varying environmental conditions. You can enter up to 8 water inlet and outlet temperatures and up to 5 air temperatures, both in cooling and heating modes. By clicking the first green icon at the top left, the software will calculate the unit's performance under all selected conditions within a few seconds. The second green button on the left is used to export the generated table to Excel. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more.